Namaste, hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are still writing 5 pages essays in your system prompt and praying to the AI gods that your agents work, please stop it. You are burning money and your code is basically messy, and the agents will not gonna work as enterprise grade, and you can't scale up them with the help of the prompt engineering. Today I brought something new, which is CUGA and Kitty. The land graph is released the two IBM ones as a heroes, which help us to build enterprise-grade AI agentic workflows, which knows the context with the help of the context engineering. So Cougar and Kitty is not a wildlife documentary. No, it's a new tech stack that's going to save your life. First up, the CUGA Configurable Universal Generalist Agent. Think of CUGA as a Bahubali of your workflow. Before CUGA, you are writing a glue code for every little thing. If error, do this. If success, do that. It was a headache. CUGA is a boss. It uses planner execution model. The planner, it takes the task and say, okay, boys, here is a master plan. It draw the map. And the executor, it actually does the work. And if you see the messy data, it's automatically enable the smart coding feature. It's fixing its own code base on a fly and fixing those data issues. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you and fixing those real-time bugs. It's mind-blowing one. And the second hero, and was building those multi-agent workflow orchestration, and CUGA is an operator, and ALTK is gonna be a state mom, which is gonna protect agents to take any bad decisions. We all know the agent's gonna hallucinate and it's try to call the garbage data, and ALTK slap the agent hand and say no bad data format. It stop the call before it gets an error. It's gonna do the validation here. And the most challenging with the agents, which is gonna be spike the cost, because agents sometimes get the garbage of the data and try to feed the same thing back to the LLM, which gonna way more expensive than what we think, because it goes back to internet and fetch that information. And ALTK solved that problem with hygienic. It's only keep the goal one, and it's never gonna pile up your garbage data and pile up entire context window. It's gonna make it clean and fresh. And there's gonna be one more challenge when we are building with multi-agent models, which is the last minute cancellation. Whenever the internet goes, the entire workflow execution is gonna fail, because we are connecting the multiple tools with the help of the MCP and agents plans is gonna be blink with the connection dies. That solves a problem with streamable HTTP. It's just like a new 5G super highway where it is stateless, it is solid, it works like whenever the firewall, load balancer, and VPN, anything comes in the middle, which is gonna help. And the Langflow agent can talk to any tools just like a best friends, and it's gonna integrate it super easily with the help of the new one. And the more challenge, the core thing which we are trying to address here, the security, the check review, which we talks about it. Like, we are not just locking the door here with the help of the CUGA and LTK. We are building a Jet Plus security where we'll have the transport security with MTLS, and we are a strategic censorship. That means it's only listen. It doesn't share your PI data, your API keys, or your credit card data to within the prompt. It's not going to feed the data back to your LLMs, which doesn't know your PI data. It's only respond to what actually user prompted, what's removing the PI data when that. That's a super cool feature what the MCP agents are going to build it here. And one more key advantages of CUGA and ALTK, it runs in a container based, and whenever the job executed, the container is gonna be blow up, and you're gonna be more secure. There's not gonna be any rogue agent. It's gonna stop its own ghost on if it turns bad to us. And the final thing is context versus prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is dead. It's like trying a biryani in a microwave. It doesn't taste right. Context engineering is a real deal. It's about the architecture. It's about designing exactly what the AI remember and what it forget. Don't just write a prompt. It knows have the huge context window. It knows how the AI has to act like a brain in the system. This context window cleanup with the fresh is going to help each AI agent to do their specific task very accurately. And that's about the Langflow 1.7. And stop your spaghetti code now. Try to create agents like a pro, and I'm going to show you the real-time demonstration how these agents are going to work in real time. Okay, let's how this gonna work. So I'm gonna call the real-time MCP the calculator, which I'm solving with MCP internet-based one here. I'm gonna give a calculation, uh, and instead of like I'm calculating, I'm trying to play with the agent, and it has its own engine, which gonna goes and solve this straight away for me. That's how it has its own guardrails. It knows what it's gonna send, and the MCP protocol is enabled with CUGA and ALTK. And I'm gonna walk you to a code base which has executor and planner. Let's understand the code base of this. So I build the MCP neural. So this is gonna be the neural calculator, which has the agentic workflow with security scans, and it's going to turn your natural language into the reasoning logs. So the current, it should have the current and previous state whenever you do the calculation, and it has a reasoning, and it's understand the history of it, what is going to be the input, and the guardrail has been placed in the left hand side. The major thing here, so it turns to the natural language to the dynamic evolution into the one phrase of it. But the more important with the CUGAs and the security layer is a main concern. So every time the agent gets a task, it try to audit what agent is gonna performing it. It's audit each messages, scan that. If it has a risk, then it automatically abort the particular task, and it's gonna be have their own verification to start a secure way of like sending the agents back to the ones. And the more important the thinking, the MCP reasoning is gonna be it gonna connect to the streaming HTTP one, and the agent is stuck successfully gonna analyze and show the calculations once very effectively. So it has those. It's a combination when you are trying to build a code base with automatically healing uh, its errors and fixing that. CUGA is the right choice for you to do that, and which is going to be highly recommended. The way it is going to be responding into the history of the things, and you have the waiting and standby. And if it's going to be any security concerns, it's going to detect it. It automatically one, and it's highly have the reasoning logic to that. I'm sharing this sample code base, so which is going to explain to you how to use